Nice little ZL1 right here. What's happening, Ryan?
Oh, not too much. Just working on this 2018 ZL1. It's an 10-speed auto. I actually like the 10 speeds in these. They shift really good. Once you get in them a little bit, they'll go into like a performance driving shift pattern, which actually is like really aggressive. Keeps your revs right above that 4 grand. Which, as you can see, this baby makes all the torque. So you kind of want to keep it around there. Max torque, 646 foot-pounds at about 3,800 RPM.
Jesus.
The baby blowers, they like their torque. So it works good, to be honest. I like this car too because it's no sunroof. You don't see that too often.
Yeah, I was noticing that. That's nice.
Just a little bit extra headroom inside and a little bit lighter. So good for racing.
Good for racing.
Yeah, so I mean, I guess we should probably talk about the package. This is a stage 1. So it's a pretty good way to get your feet wet in one of these cars. Stock blower. This one doesn't even have headers, so it's all stock exhaust and everything, all carb legal. And basically, yeah, you got your Roto-Fab and a lower pulley, up the boost, and a custom tune.
There we go. Well, let's get her on the rollers here and see.
Now the fun part, right?
The fun part. Let's see what she sounds like and see what she does. Oh, she's loud. She sounds good though for stock exhaust.
You want to get one from the front?
Hmm?
You want to get a run from the front?
Hey everybody, Fino and Ryan here from Davenport Motorsports. We're going to be looking at a gorgeous 2010 white ZR1 that we just did some monster upgrades to, put down some beautiful power numbers, and we're going to get Ryan here to kind of walk us through a little bit and see what's going on.
Yeah, so I mean, basically the biggest thing on this one is that we've got the Kong 2650 on it. Maybe I should turn off the fans here so we can actually...
Sure. This thing is absolutely gorgeous. Wait till you guys see this thing.
So yeah, so it's a 2010 ZR1, like you said. It's a stock bottom end. It's got a BTR stage 4 camshaft, Kong 2650 with a fancy lid. That's a Kong lid. They actually make a quad pass lid now that I was seeing online. It's just like a double stacked one, which would probably be pretty cool.
It's monstrous.
This one just has a stock heat exchanger right now, so the blower actually is staying pretty cool throughout the run, but the problem is the recovery time on the coolant isn't very good. You know, you do one run at 100, it goes to 130 at the end, and then you do another run at 110 to 140, and it just never has time to really, you know, recover again.
Okay.
So that would probably be the next thing up for this car, so you can get that heat exchanger upgraded. I guess the other mods, it's got the 103 throttle body, the big Kong carbon fiber intake. I really like that piece.
Oh, that thing's gorgeous, eh?
He's got one of the coolest like 3D renderings, I'd say, for his, what would you even call that?
like on the image of it.
The emblem or whatever, right?
That thing is just cool because it just looks like it's embedded or embossed into the.
I think it's a cool design. I like that. And then I guess to round out the rest of the mods, it's got headers, Acapulco exhaust, flex fuel. So we're running flex fuel on this one.
That's gonna be the monster on this thing, is the flex fuel.
Yeah. And then it's making about 22 psi. So I think we have the. I think it's the 2 something upper pulley.
It's got quite the big belt on her too, eh?
Yeah, so these ones are factory 11 rib on a ZR1, which is nice. A lot of people don't know
11 ribs.
I see it on the forums a lot. They're like, oh, why aren't the ZR1 guys having issues with their 2650s? It's like, well, it's got a factory 11 rib belt instead of the 8 rib, like on the V's and the Camaros. And then of course we got the Core 6 expansion tank, so that does help a little bit with the cooling as well.
100%. You know, even like the Cordis like manufacturing, beautiful work too, right? Like nice welds on her. And
yeah, 100%.
She's really good, man. Like this thing is just gorgeous. I can't believe all the carbon fiber on this thing, man. Like,
oh yeah.
Oh,
carbon package.
Carbon package with the nice, my personal preference, favorite wheel.
You like the chrome?
I like the chrome on the white.
Yeah, actually, you know what? I think the chrome looks really good on the white too. I like a little bit of chrome as well. I'm kind of old school though, you know.
I keep my chrome just on my wheels.
Some people don't like any chrome.
Yeah, I think it all depends on the car, right? But coming like the same background as you, right? As muscle cars and
exactly.
Chrome wheels.
I like muscle cars, so of course I like some chrome.
Yeah, but this thing is absolutely a beast. I think we should probably
hell yeah, you want to hear it?
Fire her up and let's see what this thing does here.
All right.
Should I shut this door?
Yeah, sure. I'll let you hear the idle and then we'll turn the fans on for a run.
Yeah.
Gotta do the old.
Make sure she's a Nucci. By Davenport Motorsports here in Alberta, Canada. This thing is a monster, boy.
I'll turn the fans off.
So there you have it, folks. Getting some good numbers here. The
So basically right now we have the green line. That's just what it came in at stock. And then I already did the pump gas tune. That's the blue line here. Pretty conservative on it, honestly. I don't want to push it since this car's supposed to like 185. So why bother, being on the edge on pump gas? 100%. And then you got your two lines here. So the one we just did is actually the orange one. Nice consistent power. The red one is the one I did just before the video. So that was kind of our final number we got on it. Yeah, working really good. Big torque. This thing's gonna be a monster. He's taking it to the street shootout, right? Central Alberta street. That should be good.
Yeah, come check this car out, guys. May 29th at our Grimby, Alberta track called Central Alberta Raceways. This car is going to be there. So is our Davenport Corvette as well. A couple of our customer vehicles.
Lots of cars, actually. I think there's actually a few classes, so if you're interested in racing, check it out.
Yeah, make sure you check them out on Facebook. If you have any questions, feel free to message us as well. We do sponsor the event. If check out these numbers. Pump, or stock, pump, E85. And beautiful all the way through.
Yeah, nice and smooth. Don't see any puffs in the exhaust.
Which is nice. And I know there's a clean.
So you know what that is? Usually if you're watching the video, you see that little puff, that's hitting off.
Oh, really? I didn't know that. I just thought it was just too much fuel.
Yeah, so that's like, if it's clean, and then a little puff and then it goes away, that's not.
Perfect.
So it's good to know, and actually it's idle down now, it's at 850 if you want to get another exhaust note.
Yeah, here, check this out, boys.
Dirty.
That is extremely dirty in a good way. That actually has a nice bass tone to it. It's really nice. Make sure to like, subscribe, and follow us here on YouTube. Make sure to hit us on Instagram and Facebook as well for updates and product announcements. Have a great Friday, everybody.
Cheers.